Welcome to our tiny outdoor kitchen, where we are making fresh, creamy, and perfectly crispy avocado toast. Fresh ingredients are carefully prepared, bringing bright colors. First, the ripe avocado is gently washed and cleaned before preparation begins.
The avocado is cut open, revealing its smooth, creamy, and perfectly ripe center.
The creamy avocado is diced into small pieces, ready to be seasoned and mashed. A pinch of salt, black pepper, and chili flakes adds a simple burst of flavor. The seasoned avocado is gently mashed until creamy, smooth, and full of fresh flavor. Fresh cherry tomatoes are sliced into delicate pieces for a sweet and juicy topping.
The tomatoes are lightly sautéed in olive oil until warm, juicy, and full of flavor. Fresh bread is toasted over the tiny stove until the edges become golden and perfectly crisp.
A light brush of olive oil adds richness and gives the crispy toast a beautiful shine.
The toast is grilled for a final touch, creating a smoky aroma and extra crispy texture.
Now the creamy avocado mixture is generously spread across the warm and crispy toast. Warm, juicy tomatoes are layered over the avocado, adding color, sweetness, and freshness.
A final sprinkle of herbs, pepper, and chili flakes gives every bite an extra burst of flavor.
A delicate drizzle of golden olive oil brings all the fresh flavors together. Fresh herbs and delicate microgreens complete the final decoration before serving. And here it is, our tiny avocado toast, crispy, creamy, fresh, and beautifully delicious. And here it is, our tiny avocado toast, crispy, creamy, fresh, and beautifully delicious.